Hello everybody, this video is only for people who need to hear the problems being read to them. You do not need to watch this video. It's only for people who need it. So here we go. Page 2. 6.4 entry task, border problem, writing equivalent expressions. You must watch this video so you can understand today's assignment. So go ahead and click on that link and pause this video. Page 3. How many tiles are in the border of this 10 by 10 grid? Wait, before you answer the question above, we have one rule. You are a 6th grade student now, so you are not allowed to count the border tiles one by one the whole way through. Use the sketch box below to help you. Use different colors so that we can visually see your thinking. Use the text box on the right to answer the question and show how you figured out the answer. Right side. In this box below, answer the question from above and explain how you figured out the answer. Please watch this video first to learn more about expressions. So you would pause this video right now and go ahead and click on that to watch the video. Then you can play this video again. Write an expression that matches how you figured it out. For example, the quantity 5 times x minus 2 is an expression. Remember, expressions do not have equal signs, so do not put an equal sign. Page 4. Page 4. Choose a teammate's method to record that was different from your own. To record that was different from your own. Let me read that again. Choose a teammate's method to record that was different from your own. Go back to page 2 and see what your classmates came up with. You would write down the name of the teammate or the classmate, how they figured it out, and here you would write one expression that matches your teammate's method. This should say classmate. Page 5. Below are some methods that students from another class used to find the number of tiles. On the right side, pick 2 methods that you haven't yet discussed. So you'll pick it from here. Talk about and then write or draw how that student might have been seeing the grid to come up with that method. Method 1. Type the name of the student and their expression. How did the student do the problem? Method 2. Type the name of the student and their expression. How did the student do the problem? Page 6. Now imagine a square that has been shrunk to 6 tiles by 6 tiles. How many tiles will be in a 6 by 6 square's border? This is different from the 10 by 10 problems we did earlier. But to answer that question above, first please choose any method from the previous pages. Now, use that method for the 6 by 6 square. You can draw it if it helps. Blanks method, explanation. Expression you can use to find the number of border tiles in 6 by 6 square. Page 7. Now imagine the square has grown to 100 tiles by 100 tiles. How many tiles will be in 100 by 100 squares border? First, please choose any method from the previous pages. Now, use that method for the 100 by 100 square. You can draw if it helps. Blanks method, explanation. Expression you can use to find the number of border tiles in the 100 by 100 square. Page 8, optional. What about other squares? How many tiles will be in the border of a square with any dimensions? First, please choose any method from the previous pages. Now, apply the method to a square with any dimensions. You can draw if it helps. Blanks method, explanation, expression you can use to find the number of border tiles in the square. Use S for side length. And that is it for the problem.